What is it like to refurbish a classic car in half a year at no cost? This Hummer sent by the customer thousands of miles is a light. He has accompanied him to conquer countless mountains. Now the whole car has been wrapped in sediment, and the surface parts of the ground are... Even his beloved interior is scarred. The owner said there was only one requirement for this renovation, provided that the interior color inject new soul into this Hummer. Without further ado, let's dismantle the car first. Master Banjin took to the stage to remove the exterior accessories. The sound insulation of the extended door panel is intact. Remove it carefully. The door panel is damaged and falls off. Spirit Sword Plastic Seal Induction. The screws of each part are packaged and labeled separately. After removing the plastic parts of the car body appearance, Master Seiken's task is temporarily over. Next, Master Hengdian, it's your turn to perform. At the same time, the electromechanical master is dismantling the electric start element. I didn't expect there to be a boss with the same... I really love this one. The exterior and interior are all... Let's take a look at the number of interior... Whether the interior is turned over, a chicken leg must be added. Next, the car body is sent to the lift to prepare the car shell. Remove the air filter, shell antifreeze pot. Batteries and other parts are left on the stage for the mechanic to operate. This chassis has as many old shows as the classic cars we've restored in the past. Separate chassis. After the car body, continue to spray the undercarriage with a layer of scratch-resistant and wear-resistant chassis armor. Use the special cleaning agent for the chassis to wash it out again. Then drop the engine and repair it separately. Don't forget to waterproof the circuit board before washing. Use a special foam cleaner for cleaning. At this time, the mechanic is cleaning the special cleaning agent for the engine. Do professional things. Use a steel brush to clean after the oil is dissolved. We will decontaminate and rust the valve chain. Respray Champagne Essence Protective Paint. The chassis in the machine shop is immediately sediment cleaning. It is in the off-plan house at this time after grinding, especially whether to spray it with black protective paint. Replace all rubber sleeves of the chassis after waiting for the paint surface to dry. The chassis after the replacement of the rubber sleeve is reinstalled with various accessories after the renovation. Brown. Chassis refurbishment repair. All load-bearing rubber sleeves. These have been replaced by the original factory and newly built. Chassis and body integration. Next, inverse repair drop. Wood turbine sanding surface car paint. Check surface flatness. Floats and sinks caused. Then the upper inverse repaired the small depression. The details are carefully sanded by hand with sandpaper. Make sure that the paint surface shows a mirror effect in the later stage. And spray 4 clear Lamborghini Orion painting of the same style. The undercoat is certainly. The BSF Parrot Sanctuary in Germany had to be put in place. Let's take a look at the effect of the finished paint surface after spraying. To achieve a mirror effect, the paint surface also needs to undergo multiple rounds of grinding and polishing. At the same time in the interior, the masters are ready to renovate the interior and they will clean the whole body before renovating. Use a special leather cleaner. It can effectively remove dirt without damaging the leather. Continue cleaning the rear seats. This cleaning effect is not. The steering wheel is also cleaned to the same standard. The next step is to repair the damaged leather of the seat. Due to the involvement of leather painting, so cover the seat. Include the brown wiring of the seats to also cover up. The aged surface is then finely sanded with Takagi sandpaper. After the polishing is completed, the toner will prepare the leather 47 according to the same color number of the seat leather. The restorer on the other side uses a special leather repair cream mixed with color paint to fill the scar area. After the volcanic paste solidifies, it is refined and polished. Heating accelerates curing. Then use a sponge dipped in paint to lay. Then replace the spray gun for a large area of complementary color. During the period, switch the hook pen to do not stab the details. You're done. The restored seat leather is restored to its original state. And then comes the final assembly. Lay the refurbished electromechanical wiring harness first. During the period, the master of Pengdian also completed the tendon master reinstalls various parts. At this time, the meter function and lighting. After the function test of electromechanical, then install the remaining parts. Final step, four-wheel alignment. So far, this Hummer H3 has been refurbished. Let's take a look at the final finished product effect.